Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Apple AirPods 4 and I'm going to show you how can you easily change call controls. At first we have to scroll down to the control panel, then we have to hold our finger on Bluetooth twice. Now we have to click Bluetooth settings. Now as you can see, we are connected with our headphones. We have to click on this info button over there. Now as you can see, call controls. Answer call, press once. Mute and unmute, press once. We have to click on it. And now we can change mute and unmute to press twice. End call, we can click on it. From press twice, we can change it to press once. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.